Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail for the specific status in purchase order. So let's see about it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Mass Mailing. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase. Select multiple orders. I select total 3, go to action menu and see here these options, purchase order mass mailing. Click on. Here 3 options available, purchase order, request for quotation and vendor reminder. I want to send request for quotation and click on the send button. Now go to settings and check in email that my email is sent successfully or not. So see here, mail sent successfully. Display here order number like 11 and here display total 2 buttons accept and decline. Again go to quotation. Now I select 10 number and 9. Again go to action menu. Again click on the same options. And now I want to select purchase order. Again click on the send button. Again go to emails and check. So see here display total to 9 and 10 number. And now display here purchase order number and total amount, date, same display in 10 number of orders. So you can easily send mass mailing using this our module. Thank you.